Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you're here with me again. Before I begin, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss the next videos. And if you'd like to see something more personal, you'll always find the link in my bio. Today I'm spending some quiet time, refreshing the dining table. This is the heart of the kitchen, the place where everything comes together, meals, conversations, and little everyday moments. Even when it doesn't look messy, I love to give it attention because a clean table changes the atmosphere of the whole room. For me, cleaning is not only about tidying up the surface, it's about creating a calm, balanced space that feels welcoming. Every small step adds to the mood, it's a way to reset the energy of the home and bring in more comfort. When I take a few minutes like this, I notice how the kitchen feels lighter, as if it's ready again for the day or evening ahead. I like to think of cleaning as a gentle routine that brings both order and peace. It's not about rushing or trying to make things perfect, it's about slowing down and giving a bit of care to the place we live in. The dining table is special because once it feels fresh, the entire kitchen feels alive again. Thank you for sharing this moment with me. Don't forget to subscribe for more calm cleaning routines. And remember, if you'd like to see a little more, there's always extra content waiting in my bio. I appreciate you being here, and I'll see you in the next video.